Pictures of Rahul Gandhi at this point in time from the Valmiki Mandir in the New Delhi constituency. This is the Valmiki Basti in the Valmiki temple in Delhi, from where okay, this is the place from where Sandeep Dikshit is contesting the elections. This Valmiki temple or Valmiki Basti happens to be just in the heart of Delhi. This is the Gold Market area of Delhi. It falls under the New Delhi constituency. And this is where Rahul Gandhi along with Sandeep Dikshit is campaigning. In fact, this is where Rahul Gandhi was supposed to be actually exactly a week ago, along with Sandeep Dikshit, but Gandhi had not been well. And that's the reason why this meeting was cancelled. But this meeting was to be held a week ago, and today Rahul Gandhi has come for the campaign. It's a door-to-door campaign that's being held by Sandeep Dikshit. And he's come to the Valmiki temple. This is in the Valmiki Basti, where Rahul Gandhi is along with Sandeep Dikshit, who's the candidate of the Congress party from the New Delhi constituency. Remember, New Delhi constituency is where the chief ministers usually have fought their elections from. It was the constituency of Arvind Kejriwal for the longest time. Is contesting from here again. The challenger from the BJP is Parvesh Verma. Earlier than this, there was Sheila Dikshit, Mrs. Sheila Dikshit, who was contesting from New Delhi constituency. This always was her seat. It's considered the seat of the Chief Minister, and Sandeep Dikshit is contesting it this time around. This is the New Delhi constituency and the Valmiki temple, as you can see in these pictures. At this point in time, Rahul Gandhi standing beside Sandeep Dikshit, who is the candidate of the Congress party from the New Delhi constituency. In fact, this is a door-to-door campaign that we've been seeing for days together now. And Rahul Gandhi was supposed to be besides Sandeep Dikshit just last week on Monday. However, he's been unwell and was unable to come for campaign along with Sandeep Dikshit. Sandeep Dikshit in these pictures, the campaign, the Congress party candidate in these pictures at this point in time. I'm going to go straight across to Shreya also for more details on that. Shreya, this is a much delayed visit actually. Rahul Gandhi was supposed to be in Valmiki Basti just last week and he's been unwell, but today finally he joins in the campaign in this prestigious seat which has always been held by chief ministers, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, Sneha. You know, finally we are seeing much late though into the campaign for Rahul Gandhi is seen campaigning for Sandeep Dikshit in the New Delhi constituency seat. He's visiting the Valmiki Mandir located in the Gold Market area of Mandir Marg. Somewhat a messaging about the kind of population that the Congress party also wants to tap on in. So we are seeing him visit the Valmiki Mandir today in the morning, and then subsequently, Sneha, we will also be seeing him today in the Okhla Tikona Park area, which is again Muslim-dominated belt. So clearly the messaging by the Congress party, they are trying to tap on their voter bank, expecting that these people will be voting for the Congress party, and they've started on with the New Delhi constituency where Rahul Gandhi has for the first time campaigned for Sandeep Dikshit.
All right. Campaigning for Sandeep Dikshit and late foray into these elections. As far as Shreya, the campaign is concerned, he was in Srilampur on the 13th of January. Again, strong messaging there. Today, the Valmiki Basti. Obviously, the combination of Dalits plus Muslim votes is what the Congress is looking at very, very closely. New Delhi constituency is not just Latian zone, isn't it, Shreya? This also has a considerable urban slum population. Valmiki Basti is a part of it.
One of the population that all the political parties are trying to bank on. And the reason, because these are densely populated areas, you're going to bank on most of your votes. And that's precisely how, when Rahul Gandhi decided to start his campaign, he decides to do it from the Valmiki Basti. One, because the Dalit voter base is something that the Congress party seems to be comfortable with, thinking that they will be voting for them. And that's exactly why you see Rahul Gandhi start the campaign today from here. And subsequently, as you were also pointing it out, today we will see him again in the Okhla area near the Tikona Park, which is again the Okhla constituency where Fariba Khan, he will be doing a part of his campaign. So clearly the Congress party has their line set, and they expect that these are their comfortable vote banks from where they can actually bank on to probably, increase their number because they have clearly opened no seats in the last election. They are hoping probably to do better in comparison to the last time.
Shreya Chatterjee getting in those details from the Valmiki Basti area in the New Delhi constituency. Rahul Gandhi also has, in fact, another set of campaign today, I understand. But before that, this is a door-to-door campaign, remember, that is being held by Rahul Gandhi for Sandeep Dixit, who is the candidate for the Congress party in these elections from the New Delhi constituency. Important messaging therefore, as far as the Congress scheme of things is concerned, by fielding Sandeep Dixit, Shreya, the son of late Sheila Dixit, the Congress has sent out the message also loud and clear. At the end of the day, he's seen as one of the stronger contenders of the Congress party and is fighting against the star campaigner and the former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal from this seat itself.
Well, yes, see, what they're trying to do is that they also want to bank on the sentiment of Sheila Dixit. That's exactly why Sandeep Dixit entering the foray has also probably in one of these seats left the battle into not just a dual fight, it's not just the Aam Aadmi Party versus the BJP, at least in the New Delhi constituency. Here, you can see Congress also dominating headlines quite a bit, and that's exactly because of the sentiment of Sheila Dixit. And with Sandeep Dixit fighting the election, it will be interesting to see that if at all Congress actually successfully opens their seats here in the national capital. But there again, Sneha, very interesting, choice of voters that the Congress party is deciding to tap on, that includes the Dalit and the Muslim community. That obviously might draw criticism that this is a comfortable vote bank that the Congress party is aligning with. But clearly, they want to embolden their focus in a voter base that they feel will possibly translate into a victory. That's exactly why the choice of these places. We saw him in Seelampur last time. We are seeing him right now in a Valmiki Basti. We will see him again in a Muslim-dominated pocket in the evening. Clearly, Congress leaving no stone unturned to ensure that the M plus Dalit vote bank comes to the Congress party in the national capital.
Well, it's a very calculated strategy of the Congress party this time around, doing what they can to consolidate who they think could be by their side this time around. And that's the reason why the first rally of Rahul Gandhi in Seelampur on the 13th of January, which of course is a seat that is dominated 40% by Muslims. Today, he's back in campaign mode after he was unwell for a couple of days. Remember, this meeting was to be held last Monday with Sandeep Dixit in New Delhi constituency from where he's contesting. But today it is now being held after Rahul Gandhi has come back into action as far as the Delhi campaign is concerned.